Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 4.3 quadratic equation. Solve the following equation: 3x plus 2x minus 1 root 3x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 7. Now we can see that this equation is very complicated. So first of all, we'll make it simpler. How to make simpler? By supposing. We can see that in this equation 3x plus 2x and 3x plus 2x both are same. So we will consider we consider that 3x plus 2x is equal to t. So by putting t instead of this term, it make our equation easier. 3x plus 2x is equal to t. So t minus under root as it is 3x plus 2x, t minus 1 as it is equal to 7. Now positive t, when take in the right side, positive become negative t. Now by taking square on both sides will take square. Then we take square of minus. When we multiply minus by minus, we get positive. Minus plus, and 2 and 1 by 2 cancel each other. What is left? T minus 1 is left, which is equal to, now 7 minus t whole square is equal to 7 minus t into 7 minus t. 7 7s are 49, minus 7 plus t minus 70, minus 7 plus t minus 70, and minus plus t into t square. 49 minus 7 14, sin minus plus t square. Now 49 7 minus t whole square is equal to 49 minus 14t plus t square. Positive t become negative t when taken the right side, and negative 1 become positive 1, and this is left 0 is left. Now t square as it is, minus 14t and minus t becomes minus 15t, and 49 plus 1 50. So t square minus 15t plus 50 is equal to 0. Now we will break the midterm. How to break the midterm? By making factor of 50. 50, 2 1s are 1 50s are 50, 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 2 5s are 10, 5 10s are 50. So the factors are 5 and 10. 10 plus 5 15, and 10 multiply 5 50, minus 5 minus 10, minus plus 10 plus 5 15, sin minus. Now after breaking the midterm, we will take common t into t minus 5 and minus 10, minus plus t minus plus minus 5. So t minus 10 t minus 10 is equal to 0. First of all, take t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now next time we'll put t minus 10 is equal to t minus 5 become positive 5, t minus 10 become positive 10. But we can see that t is equal to 3x square plus 3. So t is equal to t minus 5 is equal to 0, t minus 10 equal to 0, t is equal to 5, negative 5 become positive 5, and minus 10 become positive 10. But where t is equal to 3x square plus 2x. So 3x square plus 2x is equal to 5. And next time 3x square plus 2x is equal to 10. 3x square plus 2x positive 5 becomes negative 5 equal to 0. Now make the factor of 5. 5 is a 15. So the factor are 3x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 5x minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. X is common, 3x plus 5, minus 1 is common, 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 5 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Now first of all we take 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. and x minus 1 equal to 0. 3x positive 5 become negative 5 and 3 is divided by both sides. X is equal to minus 5 by 3 and x next time x minus 1, x is equal to positive 1 when taken the right side. Now we can see that 3x square plus 2x positive 10 become negative 10 equal to 0. 10 3 is 30. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 10s are 30. So there is no factor, so we will apply quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4a is 3 and c is minus 10 divided by 2, a is 3. So x is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus minus plus 4 3s are 12 12 10s are 120 120 divided by 6 plus 120 divided by 6. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 124 by 6 minus 2 plus minus under root 124. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 200. So 2 is outside the under root and under root 31. Now 2 is common. Minus 1 plus minus under root 31 divided by 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Minus 1 plus minus under root 31 divided by 3. So solution set. Now so a solution set is not the same as in the previous exercise. We will putting the value, this value, this value and this value in the equation 1. This equation 3x square plus 2x minus under root 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 7. If both sides are equal, then we can say, and the answer we find the same if both are same by putting, for example, if we put 1. It means 1 is not a root, it is extraneous root. Now we'll check again, we'll check minus 5 by 3. Similarly we'll check minus 1 plus under root 31 by 3 and next time we put minus 1 minus under 31 by 3. If the answer right hand side and left hand side and right side both are equal, then we can say that that specific root is our solution set. If we put minus 5 by 3, 3 into minus 5 by 3 square plus 2 into minus 5 by 3. This is so lengthy, so we'll check by yourself and